technically speaking, with this particular lineup, our first gig, so thank you very much for having us. With it, what should we be called for this song? We'll be called The Special Guests. So we are the special guests. You'll see our name on your tickets. This is a song, it's not written by us, none of these are by us. Just in case you thought they might be, they're not. But they are songs, kind of. And this one goes a bit like this one. Professional show off. So for this song we're going to be called the Dave Toners, because none of our names are Dave, but one of them's Toner. This is Matthew Toner. He got in trouble for doing this gig because he thought it wasn't the night of his anniversary. He went to his wife, cap in hand, and said, "Darling," you probably don't call her darling, but darling, can I play a gig on the night of anniversary? And she had to go at him because the anniversary's tomorrow. This is a song by some people. some singing. What do you mean, no?
I'm going to do some talking.
Matthew Morey over here is going to do some singing. You'd be forgiven for thinking he looked like a member of staff. Personally, I prefer the...
That's the best way of taking a jacket off, lad.
I personally... Whatever. I personally am a fan of the new sound man they've got here. It's far more attractive.
Yeah.
You're going to sing a song?
Right. Confidence the preference of the habitual voyeur of what is known as. One simply avoided from taking a route straight through what is known as. Jeff's gone through, gets intimidated by the dirty pigeons. They love a bit of it. Who's that got that marching? You should come out and report like mate. Get some exercise. Know what I mean? Yeah, all I want, except on Wednesdays when I get rudely awakened by the customers. My trousers on, I have a cup of tea and I think about leaving the house. I feed the pigeons, and sometimes eat the sparrows too. It gives me a sense of enormous well-being. Then I'm happy for the rest of the day. Same knowledge, there always be a bit of my heart devoted to it. It's got nothing to do with your lost bronze Dutch technique, you know. It's not about you joggers. You go round and round and round.
You're slightly, I suppose so, I don't really know.